I'm Jennifer. Welcome to the Quick and Easy Meals collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle, Jean Home Decor and More, Debbie Bubbles, and me, Jennifer at Home. Today I'm going to be making a super easy, super delicious buffalo chicken wrap. It takes no time at all to put together, and it's loaded with great protein. I have some popcorn chicken here, and I'm going to be making a recipe that my YouTube friend Sunkissed Chrissy sent me. We're going to be making chicken wraps. I'm going to start off with putting some shredded cabbage in a bowl, and then I'm going to add my other ingredients and mix it all together. I have some little breaded protein chicken balls that I bought at Walmart. This is a wonderful little chicken that's full of protein and so delicious. I'll put some avocado oil on my griddle and warm it up so that it's ready to toast my tortilla shells. I'll get this chicken heated up in the microwave, and then we'll get adding everything in. I'll add in cilantro and some cojito cheese. I'll put the chicken in the bowl and start adding in the hot sauce. This is just a regular hot sauce from Walmart. I'll give everything a really good stir. And I also have some homemade ranch dressing. I'll add this in too. This will cool down the hot sauce a little bit. I'll mix it up once again, just tossing everything together. I have my tortilla shell laid out on my plate, and I'm just going to go ahead and put the mixture right in the middle of my tortilla shell. You can put as much or little as you'd like. Then I'll just fold the tortilla shell up and put it right on the griddle. I want to get each side warmed up really nicely and toasted. It only takes just a minute to toast these, and then I'll flip them over and toast the other side. Once they're nice and toasty, I'll take them off, and then I'll cut them in half. And here's how they look. They're absolutely delicious and nice and golden brown. Now I'll just cut them in half, and look how tasty these look on the inside. A wonderful little package ready to serve for dinner. These are really great. You can wrap them in foil and take these with you on the road as well, or use these for lunch prep and have these every day of the week. Let's see what Alan thinks about these. He really loves them. He loves hot sauce and chicken. These buffalo chicken wraps turned out so delicious. They're so easy to make. It only took minutes to put them together. I hope you give this recipe a try and realize just how easy and delicious it is. I would be so happy if you check out the other participating channels listed below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.